Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a first reveal of an IPSY bag. I have not opened this yet, and this is the first little IPSY bag that I've gotten. So without further ado, let's open it up. Very cute little bag that all the products come in. So if you aren't familiar with IPSY, I should explain this first. So they are a monthly subscription. It's $10 a month, and they send you fill out like a little survey questionnaire, products that you like, things that you're into, and they send you products each month based off the questionnaire you filled out. So this is my first month that I am receiving products. So let's look what's in my bag. So first, I can't read this. I think it says SL Miss Glam. It's just a eyeshadow brush. I guess it's their N15 eyeshadow brush. Little fluffy end. So next we have a Lord and Berry crayon lipstick in 20, I don't know, Maximat. There it is. Looks like a super pretty color. I can't say I've used many crayon lipsticks, but interested to try that out. And then next is Tristique Mini Matte Blurring Stick, blurring primer and shine eraser. There's that product. The next product I got is this Air Repair Complexion Quenching Facial Mist. I love facial mists. I use my Mario Badescu multiple times a day, every day. Don't skip a beat with that stuff. So the next thing I got is this Hebe, I think I'm saying that right, I don't know, moisturizer with microalgae in the lavender scent. And it says, skincare so natural it's safe enough to eat. Aloe vera juice, shea butter, olive oil, zinc oxide, emulsifying wax from coconut. We're passionate about creating products that feel great and that you can feel great about learning or about using. I'm all about those all-natural products, so interested to try this. So that's my small little IPSY haul. Let me know if you want to see a video where I try all these products. I can definitely make that happen. So leave a comment below if you would like to see me do that. And thanks for watching this short little video on IPSY. And maybe we'll do another one next month. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.